Great, welcome. So you want to create a QR code for your website, your products, or one that links to your WhatsApp number in that anyone out there can just scan it and it redirects to the set target. Worry not, it's actually very simple. Go to search, type QR code. Tap on QR code generator. So here, you are free to collect the URL, website or link that you want the QR code to take someone to upon scanning. If you want one that links to your WhatsApp so someone gets straight to your inbox, just type wa.me/your WhatsApp number, then paste it here. But for this tutorial, let's assume we want the code to link to Canva website. Copy it, paste, click on Generate QR code. Boom! You can now resize to fit your design. You can also export this QR code if you want to use for other purposes. There you go. Please subscribe.